everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to use some of our homemade cream cheese to make 2 delicious cream cheese spreads that you can serve anytime. Use them on sandwiches, wraps, put them on your bagel, put them on crackers, take them to a potluck, or keep them all for yourself. I can't wait to show you how these all come together. Today we're going to use some of our homemade cream cheese and we're going to make 2 cream cheese spreads that are great for crackers or chips, putting out at a party, sharing at a potluck, whatever you want. These would be great for spreading on sandwiches or wraps or what have you. Anywhere you like to use cream cheese, even on your bagel, these are going to be delicious. This one is a Chipotle ranch version of a cream cheese spread. I have weighed out the cream cheese, so these plates are equivalent to 8 ounces of cream cheese, or what you would get if you purchased a brick at the grocery store. So feel free to use a brick of cream cheese if you're not making your own. 1/4 cup of ranch dressing powder. Now you can buy your own or you can make your own. I have a great recipe for homemade ranch dressing mix. I'll leave a link below or in the iCard for you. I have about 2 cloves of minced garlic. And I have about 2 tablespoons of chipotle pepper in adobo. Now I keep this in my fridge in a container. It doesn't go bad ever because it's been preserved. I just chop it up really small and that's what we're going to use. The second spread is a pineapple jalapeno spread. So I have 1 brick or 8 ounces of cream cheese. I have a 1/2 cup of either pineapple jam, or in this case I'm using my homemade pineapple topping. You can also use the pineapple pie filling that we made. I'll leave a link to this below as well. And I have 1/4 cup of chopped pickled jalapeno. These are my homemade pickled jalapenos. I have a video for these as well, which I will leave you a link for. So let's get busy and make these spreads. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to give this an initial whip to make it light and fluffy. And I'm just going to use my hand mixer to do that. And get you a rubber spatula and just scrape it down. It's nice and smooth now. Remember, I'm using my homemade version, but if you're using the store-bought version, that'll work too. I've got our ranch powder, our garlic, and our chipotle. And then we're just going to blend this one more time. And just get it really well combined. And now you're ready to serve this. Let's go make the pineapple jalapeno version. Okay, we're going to make the pineapple jalapeno spread now. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to whip this until it's nice and creamy. Now I'm just going to get my spatula and scrape it down. Beautiful. Now we're just going to add our ingredients. Our pickled jalapeno and our pineapple jam or pineapple topping. And y'all, you can buy pineapple jam in the grocery store because I've done it. I make my own sometimes. But if I'm out, I do purchase it. Now we're just going to whip this all together. Now this one's going to be a little looser than the other one because we didn't add any like ranch powder or anything. But this reminds me so much. When I was a kid, my mom used to make finger sandwiches. And she used to use pineapple cream cheese. And then she would make cucumber sandwiches with just plain cream cheese. And she would use like the sour cream or the onion and chive version. You can also make your own version of any of those cream cheeses, the strawberry or blueberry. You can take whatever jam you have in your house, raspberry, strawberry, apricot, pineapple, cherry, and add some to the cream cheese and make a fruit cream cheese spread for French toast or pancakes or whatever. Cream cheese is great in a stalk of celery, so you make that choice. I'm gonna go dish this up and we'll come back and we'll give it a taste. Both of our cream cheese spreads, our pineapple jalapeno, our chipotle ranch, ready to go. I've spread a couple of crackers, and I know Rick is excited to try these. Just tasting them out of the bowl, they are absolutely delicious. Now keep in mind these are soft right now. You're going to refrigerate these, they're going to firm up a little bit, and they're going to be fantastic. You ready? I'm going to taste the pineapple one first. What do you think? Right?
That is heaven.
Super delicious. You ready for this one? Chipotle ranch. I know he's gonna like that one even better.
Oh, yeah. Mm. They complement each other because they're opposites.
Right. This one is like deep and smoky and spicy, and this one is light and sweet. They're really both wonderful. They're perfect to take to a barbecue. Everybody loves cheese and crackers. Nobody is going to turn these down. Like I said, you can use these anywhere. Spread them on a piece of toast or on a bagel, your favorite cracker. Put them on your wrap sandwich or in a hero or like a sub sandwich. These are going to be great anywhere. So that is how you make delicious Chipotle ranch cream cheese spread and pineapple jalapeno cream cheese spread using your homemade cream cheese or store-bought. You can find a link to the recipes down below in the comment section as well as in the description box. I hope you give these a try and I hope you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.